it's Amy Tangerine. I'm here in my booth at Creativation with American Crafts, showing my latest collection, Picnic in the Park. And I'd love to walk you through the colorful and vibrant collection for spring, summer. It's an everyday collection, so you don't have to just use it for when you're at the park. There are tons of great products. We have the paper pad, which is everybody's favorite. And also, this is the washi tapes. There are 8 rolls in different sizes. And then these are sticker rolls. And stickers are a huge thing, as you know. We love stickers. So we have 2 different packs. And this one is holographic and glitter. Double-sided sticker sheet, die cuts, paper bows, which are super cute. These are some of my favorite. These are alpha stickers that are translucent, and they're a new size. They're really fun to use in all your projects. These are great for planners. They're stickers. Some of them are clear, and some of them have a white backing. These mini puffy stickers are adorable. We also have these embossed puffy stickers, which are great for your planner cover or any scrapbooking projects. Stamps, clear stamps, which are everybody's favorite as well. A 6x8 pad, and there's really cute designs. The shaker stickers are here, and let's demo how they have these little holographic bits. Metal paper clips and envelope stickers. These are really cute because they are sticky and then they open up so you can include them in your planner and write a secret note. These fine tip pens, they're all black ink 03, very fine, and they write perfectly. So they're sort of like a precision pen, and they're also waterproof. A boxed card set that is ready to go with some cards that you don't even have to embellish, or you can add your creative touch to it. And then of course the double-sided pattern papers are so fun, and they have awesome patterns on both the front and the back. This is a personal favorite with a rainbow, and everybody's been loving this peach design with this floral tone-on-tone background. I hope you enjoy it and it makes you feel creative, and thank you so much for watching.